Good morning all, my name is Vaishnavi and I am from class 7th E with roll number 29. So today in this video I will tell you about noise pollution and some things related to it. So first of all we should know that what is noise pollution and what does it mean. So noise pollution is generally defined as regular exposure to elevated sound levels that may lead to adverse effects in humans or other living organisms' life. So there are many things which cause noise pollution, just like traffic noise, air traffic noise, and sounds produced at construction sites also. So we human beings and living organisms also get affected from noise pollution. How? We feel irritation also, sleep disturbance also, nervousness, increased stress, headache, and sometimes even we can suffer from diseases also, just like completely hear loss and sometimes even heart attack. So we should follow some ways, follow some rules to decrease the level of noise pollution. How? I'm telling some of few of the ways in this video, just like shut the door when using noisy machines. First point, use earplugs or earphones. Second point, lower the volume when using speakers. Third point, and fourth and the last point is that follow the limits of noise level which are made by WHO or World Health Organization. So these are the ways which will help us in reducing the noise pollution. So I hope you like this video and bye, thanks.
Hi everyone, this is Sia here from class 7th E, and today in this video I will be presenting the topic noise pollution. So let's get started. What is noise pollution? If sounds get too loud, it becomes noise pollution. Sound is measured in decibels, also known as dBs. Voice that reaches a level of 85 dBs can cause hearing loss. Now, let's discuss some sources which cause noise pollution. Transportation, such as airplanes, vehicles, household sources, for example, mixer grinder, music system, social events, such as parties, discos, natural events, such as earthquake, industrial activities, for example, construction sites, etc. Now, let's see some effects of noise pollution on human body. Anxiety, hypertension, tinnitus, hearing loss, sleep disturbances, etc. Now, lastly, we should also know that what are some tips to reduce noise pollution. First, plant more and more trees because plants absorb sound. Secondly, we should use earphones. We should also avoid bursting firecrackers. And lastly, we should also follow the voice limits. Thanks.
My name is Mayank from class 7D. I want to tell you something about noise pollution. Noise pollution is considered to be any unwanted and disturbing sound that affects the health and well-being of humans and other organisms. Effects: noise can also cause heart disease, stress, and high blood pressure. These health diseases can affect all age groups, especially children. Thank you.
My name is Harshika. I study in class 7th E and my roll number is 9. Noise pollution. It is also known as environmental pollution and sound pollution. It causes a lot of disease, poor concentration in studies, stress, hair loss, and some other serious issues. We can reduce it easily by some methods. These methods don't take a lot of time and can be easily done by people. And they are common too. First, we can reduce the sound of our phones while using it. We can regularly check our noises of cars and bikes, etc. vehicles. We can stop horning on a traffic jam while there is a not in the well vehicle there. We can shut down the doors when a heavy or a noisy machine is working outside. We can also stop our home appliances like blender when they are not in use, and some other methods to reduce it. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Arjun Chopra from class 7th Raman Singh Senior Secondary Public School. Today my topic is noise pollution. So what is noise pollution? Noise pollution refers to the dangerous and unwanted level of disturbance caused by noise. Noise pollution occurs when the sound is above the level of 80 decibels. Noise pollution affects all organisms living in the environment. Noise pollution can be prevented by growing more trees, as trees absorb the noise that goes through them. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Lakshita, class 7th, roll number 44. Today I can tell few lines on noise pollution. First, noise is another word for sound. Second, it is usually means it is not wanted. Third, noise can damage our ears. Fourth, noise pollution can cause permanent deafness. Fifth, noise pollution affects animal communication and hearing. Sixth, noise pollution is a life problem. Seventh, the effect of noise pollution are dreadful. Eighth, noise pollution disturb people. Ninth, the main source of noise pollution are road traffic, railway noise, industrial noise, craft noise, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello ma'am, I am the student of class 7th B and I will tell about water pollution today. Water is very essential for human life. It is impossible to imagine life without water. Due to some human activities and natural phenomena, water gets polluted and available of drinking water is very less. Water pollution is defined as the addition of some substance or factor which degrades the quality of water so that it either becomes health hazard or unfit for use. There are many causes for water pollution. The whole water is getting polluted through many sources such as urban runoff, industrial, agricultural, sedimentary, leaching from landfills, animal wastes, and other human activities. These dangerous chemicals mixed with water and make it unsafe for living bodies. Water is one of the natural precious gift to mankind. We cannot live with sewage and beaches, contaminated rivers and fish that are poisonous to drink and eat. To avoid these series, we can work together to keep the environment clean so that the water bodies, plants, animals and people who depend on it remain healthy. Thank you, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. I am Chavi Yadav from class 7th E, roll number 2. So today we will talk about the topic air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution are the smoke and dust particles which are present in the air which we breathe. It can also damage our respiratory system because it contains many harmful gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and etc. It is caused due to factories, pollution and vehicle pollution. Vehicles is most important thing in this world because it is used to move place to place. It is also caused due to burning things like paper, plastic, wood and etc. So we can prevent air pollution by doing these some things like avoid burning plastic, papers and woods, to avoid cutting trees, and we can also grow more trees because it gives us oxygen. So today this is the topic of air pollution which I tell the prevention and its side effects. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Shrishti from class 7th A, roll number 7114. So, today topic is noise pollution. So, first point is what is noise pollution? So, noise pollution is undispersed human or machine created noise which disturbs the activity of balance or human or animal life. Second point, what are the effects of noise pollution? First, high blood pressure. Second, heart attack. Third, poor urban planning. Fourth, breakage of earth barrier. Fifth, poor quality of crops. Thank you.
My name is Shweta Yadav. I am studying class 7th. Today my topic is noise pollution. We all looks for peace in life and wants to stay away from crowded and noisy place because loud voice make us uneasy. We ourselves are responsible for noise pollution due to the noise from our vehicles, noise of loud horns, use loudspeakers, or for our celebration, etc. Measure to reduce the noise pollution. We should try to reduce noise pollution by not giving horn unnecessary, not using loud speaker in our function and during the celebration, etc. Every type of pollution harm our environment. We should try to reduce every type of pollution to save our environment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshita and I am from class 7th E, roll number 43, and I am from Ram Mansingh Public School. As you can see, my topic is on noise pollution, so I am going to be a tell about it. Thank you. So this is what is a noise pollution. Noise pollution क्या है? Noise pollution is caused by a high level of unwanted sound in the environment which cause pain in our ears. Noise pollution generated by the road traffic, railway, craft noise, construction, industrial noise. इसका मतलब ये है जब मीन्स जो होता है नॉइज़ पॉल्यूशन वो कैसे कॉज होता है और वो हाई लेवल पे कॉज होता है और वो जब उनकी आवाज़ें आती है रोड ट्रैफिक रेलवे रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन इन सब की ही जब भी आवाज़ें आती है तो हमारे कानों में वो चुभती है, हमें डिस्टर्बेंस होता है. सो बस इसमें यही प्रॉपर बताया गया है. So first we should start a noise pollution stop. Then we can say to others, stop noise pollution. Like this only we can stop the pollution. So please stop the pollution.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ananya. I am from class 7th. Today my topic is noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is when the level of noise increases in more than the normal level. When amount of noise exceeds, it becomes dangerous for living beings. Moreover, this unpleasant sound causes several disturbances and creates an imbalance in the environment. Causes of noise pollution: high blood pressure, high stress, and may affect sleep cycle. It may also cause hearing loss and deafness. Moreover, noise pollution is also associated with the decline of cognitive capacity. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video.
honking from vehicles is very disturbing and harmful as well. Apart from this, excessive noise from loudspeakers, firecrackers, and loud music from parties can lead to deafness and other ailments. It is necessary to create public awareness on this. Proper regulations for the use of loudspeakers and other devices that produce loud noise are required. Anti-pollution laws should be intact and enforced. A ban on firecrackers should be imposed. Thanks.
Hello everybody, my name is Aditi. I am from class 7th A. My roll number is 7121. Today I am going to tell you about noise pollution. What is noise pollution, effect of noise pollution and prevention of noise pollution. So let's start. Noise pollution is the unpleasant sound which leads to uncomfort in human beings. Due to increasing of noise pollution has become a matter of cancer. Some of these major causes are vehicles, aircraft, industries, machines, loudspeakers, crackers, etc. Some other things are television, radio, etc. when they were at high volume. Example of noise pollution: increasing usage of horn, using loudspeakers either of religious function or for political purpose, unnecessary usage of fireworks, industries noise, concentration noise, noise for transport such as railway and aircraft. Types of noise pollution: transport noise, neighborhood noise, industries noise, vehicles, increased number of vehicles on the roads, wedding people gathered involve loudspeaker to play music, resulting in the production of unwanted noise in the neighborhood. Industry has led to an increase in noise pollution as the usage of heavy machines and etc. Transport noise: it mainly consists of traffic noise, which has increased in earlier years with the increase in the number of vehicles. The increase in noise pollution leads to defending of older people, high pressure, etc. Neighborhood noise: the noise from household and stills, etc. Some of the main sources are musical instrument, loudspeaker, etc. Now let's come to how we can save from noise pollution, or we can say that how we protect from noise pollution. From protecting ourselves from noise pollution, we have to avoid loud environments. We do not have to musicals or operator to experience hearing loss on the job and on the wedding. We use DJs and all these things. These are also uncomfort to noise pollution. So we have to avoid from these things from us, so we can protect from that. Thank you.
Good evening, dear ma'am. It's Vinisha from class 7th E with roll number 20. So today I am going to tell you about noise pollution. What is noise pollution? It means its define, its causes, its disadvantages, and how can we prevent from it. So let us Noise pollution is generally defined as regular exposure to elevated sound levels that may lead to adverse effects in humans or other living organisms. It impacts millions of people on a daily basis. The most common health problem it causes is noise-induced hearing loss (NIHL). Some of its disadvantages are global warming, climate change, acid rain, smog effect, deterioration of fields, etc. And its major causes are vehicles, aircraft, industrial machines, loudspeakers, crackers, etc. and we can prevent it by from honking in public places like teaching institutes, hospitals, etc., and not playing DJs, not shouting, speaking so swiftly. So it was a small presentation on noise pollution, and thanks teacher.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Ishita from 7th B. Today I want to talk on topic of pollution. First, let me talk about pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. There are four types of pollutions. First, air pollution. Second, water pollution. Third, noise pollution. And fourth and the last is land pollution. Now, what is noise pollution? Sound pollution or noise pollution is are sounds from which organism may be damage their ears. The sounds less than 70 dB is not damaging for living organism, but the sounds which are more than 70 dB are make damage to ears of living organisms. There are so many harmful effects of noise pollution on us. Now our next question will be, how does we prevent us with noise pollution? We can reduce noise pollution by turning off appliances when not in use of earplugs, lowering the volumes, planting more trees, regular maintenance of vehicles and machines, etc. By controlling noise, we can control negative health effect that noise pollution has on everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Anvesha, student of class 7C, roll number 7303. Today's discussion is about noise pollution. Definition of noise pollution is the disturbance of the environment with very loud, uncoordinated sounds that are in most cases so irritating. Effects of noise pollution are some examples of noise pollution are sound and noise. Noise pollution. Sources of noise pollution.